Hey there guys, so in this video we are going to be comparing the iPhone 11 Pro versus iPhone 11 Pro Max. So in the previous iPhone 11 video we did the iPhone 11 versus the iPhone 11 Pro, but this time we're taking it up a notch and going with the Pro versus the Pro Max. So let's start the video. Alright, so here we are back on the same website again but with different comparisons. Alright, the colors. So they both do start at the same colors. They have the same colors available. Midnight green, silver, which is more of a white, like I said in the last video. Space gray, and gold. So just in case you didn't watch the previous video, the midnight green is a new color for these iPhones, for the Pro and the Pro Max. And the purple and the teal, I'm pretty sure is what it's called or something. It's a new color for the iPhone 11. The prices for these two are only $100 apart, so not a huge difference. But the only big difference between these two iPhones is the sizes. So this one, the iPhone 11 Pro, is 5.8 inches, and then the iPhone 11 Pro Max is 0.1 of an inch bigger than the XR, which is 6.5 inches. And that's also 0.1 inch more than the iPhone 11, the normal one. So you are basically paying, so the other one started at $700, right? So this, you're paying another $400 just so you can have the 3 cameras and a bigger screen. So that's up to you if you want to do that. Like, hey, the third telephoto camera is awesome. No joke on that, but hey, it's up to you if you want to pay that extra $400 to get the Pro Max than the iPhone 11, the normal one. And these two, they are the similar. Like I said, it's only the screen differences, so there's not much of a difference there. So same cameras, both have Face ID, A13. All right, so the big difference here, okay, is the battery life. So the iPhone 11 Pro lasts 4 hours longer than the iPhone XS, but the iPhone 11 Pro Max lasts 5 hours longer than the iPhone XS Max. So that's how you can compare it there. But for those of you that don't know how long iPhone XS Max lasts, it's probably around like 18 to 19 hours, I'm pretty sure. I'm not really sure, but that's what I've seen in the previous searches. So, and also the capacity. They both have 64 gigabytes all the way to 512 gigabytes. And they do not include the 128 gigabytes option that they have in the iPhone 11 because so before the first iPhone, I'm pretty sure started with like 4 gigabytes or 8 gigabytes. So the iPhone 6s that I've used before has 16 gigabytes. Then it goes to 32 gigabytes, then goes to 64, which we see here. Then after 64, you multiply that by 2, it goes to 128. You multiply that by 2, you go to 256. You multiply that by 2, you go to 512. So every gigabyte is like 2 times more. Every capacity is 2 times more than the previous one. So that's how you can compare them. And also they have everything is the same here besides the bigger resolution. They'll have 800 nits of max brightness. Okay, so the weight, I'm pretty sure, yeah, so the iPhone 11 Pro Max's weight is more. It's above by like, not a big difference, but it's like about 1.3 ounces, so not a huge difference, but still, I mean, phone wise that is pretty big. And they both have 4 meters of under up to 30 minutes of water splash and dust resistance. Both have the same A13 Bionic. Cameras are the same. Everything else is the same. So video recording, everything else, like legit everything you look in this right now is exactly the same. Like there's not even a single difference between besides the longer battery life and the screen size. Emoji, memoji. Alright, I don't see a difference. If I missed something, go comment down below to let me know, because maybe I might add that or something. And no, not really anything different. There we go. Siri. That's just up to 12. Oh, so you can do video playback on this for up to 20 hours on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And you can do the iPhone 11 Pro with up to 18 hours. And then the video playback, the streamed one is 11 hours up to on the iPhone 11 Pro, up to 12 hours on the 11 Pro Max. And the audio playback for both is 65 for the Pro and the 80 hours for the 11 Pro Max. So they both have an 18-watt adapter, and it charges. So it takes 5 minutes more to charge up to 50% for the 11 Pro Max, and it takes 30 minutes for the iPhone 11 Pro. So 35 minutes for the Pro Max, 30 minutes for the Pro, which makes sense because the Pro Max does have a bigger battery. So yeah, and yep, that's pretty much it. That was a short video. So here we are, those two phones right there. As you can see, they look very similar, except for the screen sizes and the height of those two. Like this one goes up to there, but then you look, let's see, like when you just go, this phone ends its height at the height where this phone's top lens up here, the top one right there is. So it ends right below the top lens near the antenna cable on the left side. As you can see, that's the antenna cable, and then it ends the height right there about, yep. So we go from there all the way, and then it ends it at the antenna cable right there. So pretty short compared to the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So let's just do a quick thing. Okay, so I'm gonna do a new video on this too, guys. The highest iPhone 11 Pro Max versus the iPhone 11. We're gonna do that in a future video. So not right now, but we'll do that for sure in a future video. So keep tuned for that, and that would be fun too. So we'll check that out later. So thank you for watching, and remember to hit the like and subscribe button so you're always tuned, and don't forget the bell icon to get active notifications when you post a new video. Thank you for watching, and bye!